Introduction. Abhishek is at the railway station with his parents. They are going for summer holidays to Mathura. Their tickets are reserved on the 4:30 train. Abhishek is looking at the huge railway clock. He wants to find out when the train would start. But he is unable to read the clock as all the numbers are written using Roman numerals. Seeing Abhishek grow restless, his father decides to teach him the Roman numerals and their usage. Let us also learn to read and write numbers using Roman numerals. Roman numerals from 1 to 5. The Roman numeral corresponding to the Hindu Arabic 1 is I. As 2 is 1 plus 1, it is written as 2 I's. Similarly, as 3 is 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is written as 3 I's. 4 and 5 are written slightly differently as IV and V. As you have seen, V represents the numeral 5. 4 is 5 minus 1, hence it is expressed as IV. It means I minus V, that is 4. Therefore, whenever the Roman numeral I precedes another Roman numeral, it represents a number which is one less than the second Roman numeral. Roman numerals from 6 to 10. We know that 6 can be expressed as 5 plus 1. Therefore, 6 is written as VI, meaning 5 plus 1. Similarly, 7 is written as VII, meaning 5 plus 2. 8 is VIII. 9 is IX. And 10 is X. Since 9 is 10 minus 1, it is written as IX, meaning 1 less than 10. Roman numerals from 10 to 20. 11 is 10 plus 1. So number 11 is written as XI, meaning 10 plus 1. Number 12 is written as XII, meaning 10 plus 2. Similarly, 13 is written as XIII. 14 is X and IV. 15 is X and V. 16 is X and VI. 17 is X and VII. 18 is X and VIII. 19 is X and IX. And 20 is X and X. Multiples of 10. We have seen that 10 is written as X and 20 as XX. By the same logic, 30 is XXX, that is 3 tens. 40 is read as 10 less than 50. Hence, it is written as XL, where L stands for 50. And 50 is L. Similarly, 60 is 50 plus 10, that is LX. 70 is 50 plus 20, that is LXX. 80 is LXXX. 90 is 10 less than 100, so it is written as XC, where C stands for 100, and 100 is C. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. I is 1, V is 5, IV is 4, and VI is 6. X is 10, IX is 9, and XI is 11. L is 50, XL is 40, and LX is 60. C is 100, XC is 90, and CX is 110. D is 500, and M is 1000.